What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am going to install my head today, and I might work on getting the oil pump put on and the rear main seal stuff, kind of get that stuff finalized. We'll see where it goes, so sit tight. So first off, you want to take your head gasket, and it says up right there. I don't know if you can see it. Focus. There. It says up right there. So you want that, obviously, to face up. And then it'll only fit on one way. So slide it over your head studs, and it's as easy as that. And then what you want to do is you take your head, line it up with your head studs, try not to scratch it. It should just fall into place like that. Then you take your washers for your ARP head studs and your bolts, and you're going to want to put them right down in there. This is where it gets tricky. Then I take and put the ARP lube on there and basically use it as glue, and then I use these long needle nose and I'll stick it in, spread it apart lightly so you don't mess up the threads, and then you just set it down in there. This stuff's like anti-seize. It gets on your hands and then it gets on everything else. Alright, so next you want to torque the head, and you want to do it in sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have it on my phone right here. And then you want to do 25, 50, then 80s. And you want to do 3 steps. So until you get to 8. Well, head's on. It's now a complete long block. Put a bead around it like that, smooth it out with your finger. You put a little bit extra on the edges where the oil pan's gonna meet. And I might put a little bit more on there, but this is a rough idea. Stick this on. Like so. Take your wrench. Until it slips on. And then you just put the bolts back in. Oil pumps in. And I did paint the block and transmission and the brackets and stuff. I just didn't record it because I didn't really want to ruin my camera lens. So I think I'm gonna call it there. Really have much left to do on the engine side of it. I just need to get cam gears And then obviously get the accessories and stuff put back on, like the water pump and all that. I did do a B16 water neck, so it didn't have these two extra holes like this. It has the coolant ports and stuff for the oil cooler. I opted out of that because I don't really want to run the oil cooler. I just wanted to run a regular, like, screw-on type, and then but yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, ACL oil pump. You guys seen me put in the BC rods, Wiseco pistons. I know I didn't say much about the head work, but there is BC 85-pound springs, dual springs, BC titanium retainers. I also have BC keepers. The Skunk 2 LMAs are in there. What else? Oh, I did buy a pan that already had the bung welded on, so that's one less thing I have to do. And then I do have BC cams in this box. I also bought brand new cam seals, and then I have the clutch is in that box. So I mean, I basically have everything to put it together. I just need to get cam gears and then have someone degree the cams. I'm probably gonna work on hopefully getting the engine bay painted here soon, like finish painted. So I mean, we're getting pretty close. So, and I basically only have time to work on this stuff at night. So I do appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and like, comment, and like I said, it's getting close, and once I get this done, I really want to start going to like the track, so that'll be pretty good content. I mean, we have a track that's pretty close. It's like 15 minutes away. They have a 1/8 mile and then a road course. I think it's like 2.1 mile road course. With that being said, like, comment, subscribe, share this video if you could. I mean, that would help quite a bit. Tell your friends to subscribe. I'm really hoping for some big things for this channel, so I guess we'll see you in the next one. Peace.